Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jacqueline. In today's video, we're going to be crocheting this beautiful hat. Before we start the tutorial, if you'd love to learn more on how to crochet, especially as a beginner, kindly click on the link in the pinned comment to join my WhatsApp group. For this tutorial, I'll be using these two colors. They are both cotton yarns. More information about these yarns will be at the description box below this video. I'll be using a 3.5mm hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle and a stitch marker. To begin our hat, this end is called the yarn tail and this other end is your working yarn. We're going to start by making a magic ring. You're going to wrap this working yarn around these three fingers. The point where it crosses, you're going to hold that point. Take out your fingers and you have a circle. Go into the circle with your hook. Grab the working yarn through the circle and hold. Adjust the working yarn to fit the size of your hook. Apply tension. To begin the first round, we are going to chain up 3. To make a chain, yarn over and pull through. That's the first chain. Yarn over, pull through. Second chain, yarn over and pull through, which is the third chain. For this video, we are going to be working with a double crochet stitch. For a double crochet, you're going to yarn over. Also, we are going to be working alongside our yarn tail, so hold your ring and hold your yarn tail together with your ring. Yarn over, go into your ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, pinch the bottom of your work like this, and we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's a double crochet. For this tutorial, the chain 3 serves as a double crochet, so we have 2 double crochet stitches. Next, you're going to chain 1. We are working another double crochet. Remember, we are always working alongside our yarn tail. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We have the first double crochet. We are going to work a second double crochet. You have 3 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2. After that, you're going to chain 1. We are just going to keep repeating 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet till we have a total of 8 groups of double crochet stitches. After your last pair of 2 double crochet, you're going to chain 1. The yarn tail we were working alongside, you're going to gently pull that yarn tail and it closes your ring. So we are going to join these 2 ends together with a slip stitch. We are going to locate the chain 3 and come to the top of the chain 3. This is the first chain, the second chain, and this is our third chain. At the top of the third chain, go into that third chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops, pull through the second loop, and that's a slip stitch. To begin the next round, we are going to slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch. The chain 3 serves as a double crochet, but we also have a double crochet stitch. So at the top of the double crochet there is a V-like shape, so we're going to go into that V, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops, pull the first loop through the second loop to slip stitch, and finally we are going to slip stitch into the chain 1 space. We are going to begin every round this way. For the second round, you're going to chain up 3. The chain 3 serves as a double crochet stitch, so you're going to yarn over and place 2 double crochet into this chain 1 space. So yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, another double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So since the chain 3 serves as a double crochet, we have a total of 3 double crochet stitches in this chain 1 space. You can use your stitch marker to mark the top of the chain 3. So this is the first chain, second chain and third chain. Mark the top of the third chain. Next, you're going to chain 1 and you're going to place 3 double crochet stitches into every single chain 1 space. So into the next chain 1 space, place 3 double crochet. Chain 1, and you're going to repeat this pattern all around till you're at the very last chain 1 space. After working into the last chain 1 space, you're going to chain 1, come to the top of the chain 3. You can take out your stitch marker, yarn over, pull through and pull to the next. Take out your stitch marker. To begin the next round, into the top of the first double crochet, you slip stitch. The second double crochet into the top of it, you slip stitch. Into the chain 1 space, you slip stitch. For the next round, chain 3, and we're going to work 1 double crochet into this chain 1 space. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet into this same chain 1 space. 1 and 2. So we have 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. You're repeating this pattern for this round. Chain 1, into the next chain 1 space, you're placing 2 double crochet first, 1 and 2, chain 1, 2 double crochet in that same chain 1 space, 1 and 2. Also, if you have to use your stitch marker to mark the top of the chain 3, you can go ahead to do that. So the pattern for this round is 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. You're repeating this into every single chain 1 space, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. To close up the round like usual, slip stitch at the top of the chain 3. Begin your next round, slip stitch into the first double crochet and slip stitch into the chain 1 space. To begin the next round, chain up 1, 2 and 3, Into the same space we are working 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1. Repeat into every single chain 1 space you're working 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. After that, chain 1. Into the next chain 1 space, place 3 double crochet, chain 1. Into the next chain 1 space, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and you're repeating this pattern all around till you're at the last chain 1 space. Slip stitch into the first double crochet, slip stitch into the second double crochet, and slip stitch into the chain 1 space. For the next round, 2 and 3. For the 5th round, we are going to repeat what we did on the 3rd round, which is first, the chain 3 always serves as a stitch. Go into the chain 1 space, chain 1 and 2 double crochet into that chain 1 space. So we're repeating what we did on the 3rd round, which is 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in that same chain 1 space. Next, chain 1 into the next chain 1 space. You have 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in that same space. After working your last stitch, chain 1, slip stitch at the top of the chain 3. So 5 rounds of the crown of my hat measures about 5.6 5.5 inches. So you can either go with this measurement or decide to increase further. We're going to begin the body of our hat. After slip stitching to the next chain 1 space, you're going to chain up 3 like usual, and into this same chain 1 space you're placing 1 double crochet. The stitch we're using for the body of our hat is totally different from every other stitch. This is called the split shell stitch. So you're going to chain 2. Into this same chain 1 space you're placing 2 more double crochet. Next, chain 1, and we're going to skip this chain 1 space that's after these 2 double crochet. Skip the chain 1 space, go into the next chain 1 space with your first double crochet, your second double crochet. After the second double crochet you're going to chain up 2 and place 2 more double crochet in that same space, 1 and 2, chain 1. Again, you're skipping the chain 1 space after these 2 double crochet and going into the chain 1 space between the 2 double crochet. Chain 1, go into the chain 1 space between your double crochet pair, place 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. You're going to repeat this pattern, chain 1. You're going to repeat this pattern all around till you're at the last chain 1 space. Slip stitch into the double crochet and into the chain 1 space. This is the first round for the body of our hat, and we are going to repeat this last round, that's the 6th round, till we have the length of our hat. You're just going to go rounds and rounds till your hat is long enough for you. I really hope that's clear. Don't forget to always chain 3 at the beginning of every round Into that same space, you're going to place one double crochet. You're going to chain two and two double crochet in that same chain one space. Chain one. You're skipping this chain one space in the middle and you're going straight to the chain one space in between the two double crochet, and you're making two double crochet, chain two, two double crochet. Repeat this pattern all around till you have the length of the body of your hat, and I'll meet you after I've done a couple rounds. Slip stitch into the double crochet, chain one, grab your scissors, leave a little tail of yarn and cut off. Pull this through and tighten up. This is what my hat looks like. For the body of my hat, I made a total of 8 rounds from for just the body of my hat. So, and this is how long I want it to be. So from top to bottom, my hat measures 7 inches. The last thing to do is weave in our loose ends. So come to the back of your work, and these strands at the back of your work are called your loose ends. So using my yarn needle, and we're going to go into the top of some stitches, pull, after you've done this a couple times, you can go ahead to cut off your yarn. You can also weave in your loose ends using a small hook size. Go into the top of some stitches, grab your loose end and pull it through. Top, grab and pull through. You repeat this a couple times. After that, go ahead to cut off your loose end. Do that for every other loose end you may have. This tutorial has come to an end. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was easy for you to understand. Let me know what you think of this hat in the comment section. Do you like it? Also, if you have questions, kindly drop them at the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and let me know what you'd like to see a tutorial on next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.